Nike is already setting the tone for Valentine's Day with a standout Air Force 1 release, and the pink colorway is clearly the star of the collection. Designed as a go-to-gift sneaker, this pair leans fully into romance with a soft pink monochromatic finish that instantly feels festive and eye-catching. The upper is covered in subtle heart prints from toe to heel, giving the shoe a playful yet premium look without feeling overdone. One of the key details appears on the back of the tongue, where the phrase "love is in the air" is placed like a handwritten note, adding a personal and emotional touch. Nike also includes silver heart-shaped locket hardware, reinforcing the Valentine theme and making the pair feel extra special. Releasing in women's sizing, the pink Air Force 1 is designed with gifting in mind and fits perfectly into the holiday tradition. The collection launches January 14, 2026 with a retail price of $125, making this pink colorway a timely and meaningful seasonal release.